Do you ever look at a stone and just see a picture inside? Sometimes I like to start my art projects by just looking at all the stones I have and looking for different patterns or shapes that pop out at me. And once I find that particular shape, I'll try and cut it out. First thing to do is do all the heavy lifting with the saw. I want to trim away as much material as I can and get it prepped so I can use the flat lap and then finally the Dremel. I can use an 80 grit sanding disc. This stuff's pretty coarse and so it'll take away a lot of the material fast. Right here you can see a shallow crack that if I grind it down with a flat lap, I'm going to be able to remove it and kind of smooth it out. One thing I wanted to do was make the back a little bit more narrow so it would stand up on its own and be more bottom heavy. Once I've got the general shape, I can switch over to the rotary tool. I started with the cone burr, trying to get some of the finer details, but as I was working it, I realized the cylinder burr was going to be a better option. I wanted the front paw to look like it was slightly elevated, so it was like a step almost in motion. Toward the end, I decided that making the snout a bit more 3D was going to have a significant impact on the overall piece, and so I went ahead and shaved that part off. I like carving in this spontaneous fashion because it's quite a bit more interesting for me. I don't exactly know how it's going to turn out, and so there's a degree of discovery as I'm exposing material and as I'm creating it.